never seen music like this. Sound, drawing, and water, this breaks reality. A nursery rhyme turning into a painting? This isn't just sound anymore. It's something else.
Hello, I'm Professor Nova, and together with Dr. Spark, we will solve the mystery.
We are unbeatable. Can you see sound? We can.
Waves, shapes, symphonies in water. Let us prove it.
This tiny experiment might rewire your hearing.
You'll never listen the same way.
Strike the fork.
Boom! Ripples appear.
Dr. Spark's building the sound machine. It bends sound into waves. Get ready for music to dance.
Nova breaks it down.
Every note, a unique wave fingerprint. Science with a lot of country soul.
Test time! 261.63 hertz. That's our song. Let's see what shape it makes.
Can you feel it? Tell me, can you feel it? Can you see
Yeehaw!
it? Show me, can you see it? Sound waves dancing all around. Science makes the coolest sound. Sound waves dancing, dancing, dancing all around. Frequencies make every single sound. High and low,
Giddy
they
up.
bounce and play. Science magic every day. Sound waves dancing, dancing, dancing all around.
Wow, I love this song. Music and waves, same shape.
The laws of physics confirmed.
Theory meets tech.
Unstoppable together.
One note worked. Now imagine the whole song. You won't believe what comes next.
Look, waves bloom like flowers. Sound is art. Wait. These patterns look familiar. The melody is becoming visible.
This is harmony in motion.
Can you feel it? Show me, can you feel it? Sound waves dancing all around. Science makes the
This isn't just sound.
coolest sound.
It's a masterpiece.
Sound waves dancing, dancing, dancing all around. Frequencies make every single sound. High and low, they bounce and play.
Even we didn't expect this. It's a masterpiece. Each sound has a shape. Notes equals frequencies, equals visible waves. Try this at home. You just need a bowl with water and some good country music.
Turn your playlist into a painting.
Every song has a secret shape. From rock to lullaby, it all wave prints. Subscribe to WonderLabs.
WonderLabs, WonderLabs, meet our scientific crew. WonderLabs, WonderLabs, amazing experiments just for you.